All right, Sophia, thank you. This afternoon, we take you to downtown Nashville, where we are learning the fate of Abrego Garcia.
Garcia has sat behind bars since he was mistakenly deported to El Salvador by the Trump administration 4 months ago. Since then, he's been brought back to the U.S. to face human smuggling charges tied to a 2022 traffic stop in Putnam County. Today, as protesters gathered outside, he was back in a Nashville courtroom to learn if he would be released while awaiting that trial.
And News 2's Sam Clementi has been in that hearing all day long. Sam, what did the judge just decide?
Well, ladies, we've now, not counting his first appearance, his arraignment in early June, we've now had 3 straight hearings, all of which have ended with no decision. Today was essentially a redo of the detention hearing that we did in middle of June, but with a different judge. Judge Crenshaw was overseeing today's events, and so we went back and rehashed all the evidence. The prosecution came up, made their case for why they believe Abrego Garcia is a flight risk, a danger to the community, citing his the way he treated minors, the way he's treated women, all alleged through cooperators that they had spoken with. The one witness was the same witness we had previously, Homeland Security agent Peter Joseph, who, unlike last time, was able to say while on stand that he had a chance to speak directly with these witnesses, which was something that the defense had poked holes in last time because he hadn't had a chance to speak with them directly. Therefore, it made it hearsay, as the defense said. But this time he had a chance to speak with those witnesses, kind of build out his case more, do some more legwork. So he presented that in court today. The defense then came up, did cross-examination, poked holes in Joseph's testimonies again, and the reliability of these witnesses, given they had made some deals with Homeland Security. All that to say is we just kind of repeated what we did in June, and then at the very end, Judge Crenshaw, he kind of sped things up very quick at the end. I wasn't sure how long today's proceedings would go for, but he said he's going to review all the exhibits that were introduced today and make a decision at a later time. He did say it will not be this week, and he pointed out that typically he will make a ruling from the bench, therefore kind of showing the weirdness of this case and the fact that there's a lot of exceptions that happen, it seems to happen with this case, because he typically will make a decision, but didn't today, won't make it this week. And as a quick reminder, if he is, Abrego Garcia, ruled to be released, he won't technically be released. He almost certainly would go into ICE custody. In fact, ICE said they would take him into custody and then almost certainly be deported. But he can't go to El Salvador, his home country, so it'd likely be Mexico or South Sudan are the reports of where he would be sent if he is reported. But once again, no decision today, and we will not have a decision by the end of this week. So the case continues. Guys?
We'll continue to stay on top of this. Sam, thank you.